Rwy'n falch iawn o bod gyda hi prynhawn ma, rwy'n fi cofio sefyll a faes Eisteddfod again, mlynedd yn ôl, pan llanswyd y gwasanaethau hon. Mae llwyddiant ers hynny y llywyrchu a'i rwmiad a gwaith ddibaid. Rwy'n hapus iawn I ddathlu heddi gyda hi. So there were very uncertain times way back, with the withdrawal of the Children's Society from Wales, but over the years since then we've shown what we can do when we work together.
Definitely.
Because Wales is a nation that has very strong communities, and we have values of caring for each other and for others, and that shone through. So I'm very proud to be part of this tradition and part of a Welsh Government which is focusing on building an even better Wales. A stronger, fairer, greener Wales where no one is left behind or left out because of their circumstances, their background, ethnicity or gender. And it's often said that the greatest test of a nation is how it treats its weakest, most vulnerable members. Well, here in Wales, our government is built upon our values of community, equality and social justice. And we're working to ensure that at every level of society, everything we do is fair and inclusive for everyone. So that's why we're taking action to tackle adverse childhood experiences and to support those affected. And that's also why Wales is a nation of sanctuary, welcoming refugees and asylum seekers, ensuring that they can access services and are welcomed into our communities. And that's why we're working together to eliminate child poverty and to improve outcomes for looked after children, continue to invest in support for the early years childcare and support for families. And I'm so proud of the work the Trosgannol plant does with our Gypsy Traveller Roma communities, which is so important because they are often excluded and left out. You do such important work with all our community, Trosgannol Cymru. We can't do this alone, we need you. So we're part of your journey.
Yes.
We were at the start, 2002. Great. I'm really pleased to be here today. Mae wedi bod yn fraint bod yn rhan o'ch taith ers 2002. Mae'n anryddedd a bychau i'w cefnogi a dymunaf pob llywyddiant ar y dyfodol. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Pembroj hapus i ti, Pembroj hapus